In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields to report types in Salesforce, a crucial task for customizing your reports to suit your organization's specific needs. Let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. To begin, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon is your gateway to a host of options and settings that control your Salesforce environment. With a click of this icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This option will lead you into a deeper level of customization where you can manage various aspects of your Salesforce organization. Now, let's move on to finding the Report Types section. In the sidebar, you'll find a Quick Find box, which is a powerful tool for navigating through the many features Salesforce offers. In this box, type Report Types. This search will help you zero in on exactly what you need without wasting any time. Once you've typed that in, look below at the options that appear and click on Report Types. You'll find this under the Reports and Dashboards section. Here, you're entering the area where Salesforce lists all the report types available in your environment, including standard and custom types. Next, it's time to locate your custom report type in the list. Scroll down until you find the report you're looking for. Clicking on the report types label will open it up, allowing you to view and edit its details. This is a crucial point as any changes you make will apply to this specific report type going forward. After opening your desired report type, you'll see an Edit Layout button. This is your next stop. By clicking this button, you enter the layout editor, which is where you'll be able to modify the fields associated with your report type. Now, if the field you need is on a related object like accounts or contacts, you'll want to click Add Fields Related via Lookup. This function helps you build out reports that pull comprehensive data from different parts of Salesforce. In the next step, you'll select the object, whether it's an account, contact, or another relationship. You will then choose the specific fields you want to add from that object. Take your time to ensure that you're selecting the fields that will enhance the insight you're hoping to gain from this report. Once you've made your selections, click OK to confirm your choices. This will apply the changes you've made to your report type layout. Finally, ensure that all your hard work is saved by clicking on the Save button. This action will lock in your changes, ensuring that your newly customized report type is ready for use. And there you have it, you've successfully added fields to your report types in Salesforce. This step-by-step customization allows your reports to better reflect the unique needs of your organization. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy reporting!